Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your Google Authenticator extension into your browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now you have downloaded or added the extension of Authenticator into any of your browser, but you don't know how to use that. So in this video I am going to show you how. You just simply have to open any of your browser at first, and after that you'll get to see this button at the right side. Just simply tap into that button. This is for extensions. And as you can see here, I can see all of my installed extension into this page. Now just simply tap into Authenticator, and then from this page you can easily use your Authenticator into your desktop. Now you just simply have to tap into this pencil button, and after that tap into this add button. Then you can import QR images, you can manually enter your accounts into Authenticator, you can enter OTP URLs. Just simply choose suitable option. This way you can easily use Authenticator extension into your desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.